Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Today guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make Jamaican authentic hominy corn porridge. So in this recipe I will be using two different types of corn. I have the golden corn here and I have the white corn here, so I'm going to mix them together. I'm going to use half of the golden and half of the white. I have my coconut here, yes, nice coconut. And I have one nutmeg in here, and I have cinnamon stick. I have sugar over here to season the corn because you don't want to eat it in your porridge and the corn is fresh. So I normally season the corn with some sugar so it get that little sweet taste when you're having your porridge. And I have sweet condensed milk, salt, vanilla, nutmeg essence, and I have ground cinnamon. Okay. So here I'm adding half of the yellow corn in my bowl because I'm going to wash the corn. So that is half the yellow, and I'm going to add half of the white. So here I have a pot of water on the stove. So to my water, I'm going to add my cinnamon stick. And if you have cinnamon leaf, you can use your cinnamon leaf as well. I'm also going to be adding half teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add my sugar. And this is to season the corn. So guys, I went ahead and I washed off the corn. So the corn is looking real pretty. And you can soak the corn from overnight because sometimes the corn takes a little longer to cook. It takes longer than 15 minutes. All depends on the corn. So the best thing to do is soak the corn from overnight. Okay? I'm adding the corn to the pot. I'm going to cover my pot and I'm going to allow the corn to boil for 20 minutes. Okay? Okay guys, so it's been 20 minutes now since I'm boiling the corn. So I'm going to go ahead and check the corn now to see if the corn is cooked. It's still hard, so I'm going to add a cup of water in here and allow it to cook for another 15 minutes. I'm adding half cup more water here. Okay, so I'm going to allow this to cook for 15 minutes. And guys, if you have a pressure cooker, you can pressure the corn. It will speed up the cooking process. Okay? Okay guys, so it's been 15 minutes now. So I'm going to check the corn again to see if it is fully cooked. Guys, it smells so good. I wish you could smell the aroma up in this kitchen right now. Perfect. So the corn is fully cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my coconut milk. So I'm going to allow the coconut milk to boil for 7 minutes before I start sweetening the porridge. Because coconut milk is supposed to boil properly, because if it is not boiled properly then you could have stomach ache. Alright, so I'm going to allow this to boil for 7 minutes and I'll come back and finish the process. Okay guys, so it's been 7 minutes now since the coconut milk been boiling. So let's check the pot. Wow, Look at this, guys. Look at this. So to this porridge now, you wouldn't need to add any flour or any cornstarch because it already thickened up and it got the right texture right here. Look at it. So now I'm going to move on to sweetening the porridge. Okay, so I'm going to be adding my vanilla. Not too much because you don't want to kill the taste. So I'm going to be adding a tablespoon here. And I'm adding some nutmeg essence as well. Just a little bit, about a teaspoon. Alright. Here I'm adding my cinnamon powder, and that is 1 teaspoon. Now I will be adding my sweet milk, and I'm going to be adding 1/2 cup. And you can sweeten it to your own liking. Okay? And I'm just adding 1/2 cup here because it's a lot of porridge. Okay. I'm just going to sweeten this and then I'm going to taste it and see if I needed to add any extra sweetening to it, like sugar. Here I'm adding the nutmeg, guys. I almost forget the nutmeg. Smells so good, guys. This is one of my favorite porridge that I like. So I'm going to taste it now. So nice. So guys, I am going to be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar here. Alright. And you would turn your flame off when you're about to season. Guys, you would turn your flame off when you're going to sweeten your porridge. Remember to like the video, guys. Share the video out. Tell a friend about Carla's Kitchen CC. Tell your family members. Comment underneath the video. Tell me what you think. Also, tell me which kind of porridge is your favorite porridge that you like to have. Mine is hominy corn. Well, one of my favorites. Yeah, I also like plantain porridge, cornmeal porridge. Yeah. Nice texture. Because I don't like my porridge too loose and I don't like it too thick. So this is perfect for me. Well, here you have it, guys. A pot of Jamaican authentic hominy corn porridge. Okay, so this is it. This is what it looks like. Tastes great. The texture is perfect, as you can see for yourself. It is very flavorful, guys. Tasty and delicious. This pot of porridge needs nothing else. You can enjoy your hominy corn porridge with fried dumplings. You can enjoy it with fried plantains. Yes. Here you have it, guys, a lovely bowl of Jamaican authentic hominy corn porridge. Look at it, guys, and I top it off with some ground cinnamon. It smells so lovely, guys. Oh my god, the aroma is beautiful with all those spices that I add to this porridge. It is very tasty, yummy. Make it, guys. It is very simple, easy to make. Yeah, make yourself a pot of hominy corn porridge. Like up the video, guys. Share the video out. Check out my second channel, Healthy Eats BLS. And if it's your first time here on Carla's Kitchen CC, please subscribe and touch my notification bell to all so you will be alerted whenever time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for your support. To everyone who supports Carla's Kitchen, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. To my new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing. Take care of yourself, guys. Put God first in everything that you're doing. And I'm going to see you again in another video. Bye.